Staffordshire Wildlife Trust presents Nature in Your Neighbourhood. Climate change is a visible force affecting our planet. We can reduce the impact it has by changing how we act towards nature. But don't worry, we don't have to start this big. Let's zoom in. Our Nature in Your Neighbourhood project is based in the Staffordshire Moorlands. It is a 5-year, innovative, community-led project. Funded through the National Lottery Community Fund, we are supporting communities in the Moorlands to improve and monitor habitat health. Our Nature in Your Neighbourhood project is a partnership. We are working with Moorland Climate Action, Keele University, Outside Arts, Staffordshire Moorlands District Council, and the Staffordshire Council Voluntary Youth Services. We are sharing a perception survey to understand how nature and green spaces are perceived across the Moorlands. It will also help us determine the impact our project has made after 5 years. Please complete our online survey. This is a community-led project. Communities have chosen sites and will survey and monitor biodiversity and manage improvements. We have asked Moorland community groups and individuals to nominate a local green space. As a result, we've had lots of nominations. We are linking up nominators, community groups and landowners to create a support network for all of these sites. This is an evidence-based project. Keele University has designed our baseline surveys to collect data that will help track biodiversity improvements and carbon storage. A PhD study will analyse the impact of the project. Over the life of the project, we will follow a cycle of change, monitoring where we are now by evaluating the current state of biodiversity on the sites. Where do we want to be? By developing a vision of improvement. How do we get there? By creating a management plan and making the changes we have identified. The cycle continues with a follow-up baseline survey to check the impacts the changes have made. To start our cycle, we need to find out what biodiversity is present on site. This involves baseline surveys, ID walks and bioblitzes. Keele University, alongside community groups, will be surveying chosen sites as part of the PhD study, evidencing the importance of all the work we are doing. To build knowledge, skills and confidence within our groups, we will be providing training and resources. Community groups will have kits and skills to monitor their sites each season to see the range of plants and wildlife their site supports. Once baseline surveys have been completed, community groups with our support will create a management plan to improve their site. To ensure a sustainable legacy, the project will also provide opportunities for groups to engage with landowners. To boost a wider interest and community connection to these green spaces, Outside will be running Nature Connection arts and events. Throughout the project, you may also find us and our project partners at Staffordshire Moorlands events. Feel free to stop by our stands and chat about the project. From the project achievements and lessons learned, we will create a toolkit of guidance, resources and actions for future management work. This will be available to be utilised by other community groups across the county. Our project will highlight how much boosted biodiversity benefits both people and the planet. Together, let's improve the nature in your neighbourhood. And remember to complete our online perception survey to let us know what's nature like in your neighbourhood. Visit our website to find the link to the survey.